12 World's Hardest Geography Quiz. Think you know the world like the back of your hand? Welcome to the ultimate challenge for geography enthusiasts, 12 World's Hardest Geography Quiz. This video isn't your average quiz. It's designed to test the sharpest of minds and push even the most knowledgeable quiz buffs to their limits. Buckle up as we take you on a 12-question journey through the most challenging corners of the globe. Are you ready to put your skills to the test? Let's see how you measure up. Remember, with every answer, we'll provide fascinating explanations to take your knowledge to a whole new level. Grab your pen, gather your friends, or go solo. It's time to dive in. How much do you really know about the world? Let's ease you into the challenge with something that's tricky but not impossible yet. Question 1. Which European country is completely landlocked but bordered by 5 others? Got your answer? The correct answer is Liechtenstein. Nestled between Austria and Switzerland, Liechtenstein is a small yet extraordinary country with just over 60 square miles of area. It's one of only 2 doubly landlocked countries in the world, meaning it's surrounded by landlocked neighbors on all sides. How's that for a warm-up? Don't get too comfortable. The questions are about to get tougher. Moving on to the capitals and countries, it's time to sharpen your memory and attention to detail. Question 2. What is the capital of Bhutan? Take a moment. The correct answer is Thimphu. This fascinating capital lies nestled in the Himalayan mountains and is unique for being one of the few capitals in the world without traffic lights. Bhutan's serene environment and policy of measuring gross national happiness make it one of the most unique countries in the world. Question 3. How many countries share a border with Russia? Think about Russia's sheer size for this answer. The correct answer is 14. Russia is the largest country in the world by landmass, spanning both Europe and Asia. Its neighbors include China, North Korea, and Ukraine, among several other nations. How are you doing so far? Already stumped? Let's keep going. Time to shift gears and explore the natural wonders and quirks of physical geography. Question 4. Which country has the world's shortest coastline? The answer is Monaco, with only about 2.5 miles of coastline. This tiny country, known for its wealth and the iconic Monaco Grand Prix, squeezes its borders along the French Riviera. A coastal nation with barely any coastline? That's Monaco for you. Question 5. What desert is considered the driest place on Earth? The answer is the Atacama Desert in Chile. This absolutely barren landscape has areas that have never recorded rainfall in human history. It's so dry and alien-looking that scientists use it to simulate conditions on Mars. Next, let's dive into the fascinating intersection of geography and human demographics. Question 6. Which country has the least populous capital city in the world? The correct answer is Nauru, where the capital city Yaren doesn't even have an official population because most people don't live in the capital. Nauru itself is one of the world's smallest and least populous countries, located in the remote Pacific Ocean. Question 7. What city has the highest population density in the Americas? And the answer is Manhattan, New York City. Known as the beating heart of NYC, Manhattan boasts a population density of nearly 70,000 people per square mile. Its skyscrapers are only one testament to how this small island manages to hold so many people in so little space. Human culture, politics, and history intertwine with geography to create some truly fascinating stories. Let's explore the less obvious. Question 8. What country is home to the most official languages? The answer is Zimbabwe, an African country that recognizes 16 official languages. From English to Shona and Ndebele, this incredible linguistic diversity reflects the country's rich cultural heritage. Question 9. Which country has 3 capital cities and why? The answer is South Africa, which is unique for having 3 capitals, each serving a different purpose. Pretoria is the administrative capital, Cape Town is the legislative capital, and Bloemfontein is the judicial capital. This unusual setup reflects the country's history and efforts to decentralize governmental power. Now let's go to the extremes, where geography reaches its wildest points. Question 10. Where is the deepest point on Earth located? The answer is the Mariana Trench, with its Challenger Deep stretching roughly 36,000 feet below sea level. Located in the Western Pacific Ocean, this underwater masterpiece has captivated scientists for generations. Time for some quirky questions that might just stump you in the most enjoyable way. Question 11. Which African country is shaped like a rooster when viewed on a map? The answer is Gambia. This small West African country winds along the Gambia River, forming a shape that has been compared to a rooster with its long neck stretching into Senegal. Question 12. Which country has no rivers? The answer is Saudi Arabia. Despite its sprawling landmass, this desert-dominated nation has no perennial rivers. Its water supply largely comes from underground aquifers and desalination plants.